What you got going on? So this one here, his alternator rotor went bad on it. The alternator rotor went bad. It in return had a metal shaving that hung this up and bust this whole housing here, which is the outer shell. I would just replace this shoe while I'm in there because it's so grooved out that's bad. It had metal shavings all through the whole thing. So what I normally do is take cleaner but this here's a piece here you can see where that came up off of there. But you can see where it was hung. But turn around, the rotor broke. Let me grab a rotor for you. So this here is your stator. This is your stator here. All of the magnets on the inside of his rotor broke off. So everything was grinding up. So he kept saying he wasn't getting any power. It was just pretty much showing a 12-volt battery power. So I ended up opening it up to find all of the magnets broke off, all the metal shavings. So you got to degrease everything all the way down, clean everything up. This stuff all got replaced, but the stuff that doesn't get replaced, which is the pulleys here, things like this here, you go through, degrease it, blow it down. Like still on this piece here, you can see it's a piece of metal stuck here. I got to knock that piece out of there, but the good thing is it can be repaired. Clean the chain out real good with degreaser. I normally take brake clean. If you ever look for this here, this is the better one here. The auto parts stores kind of seems more watered down. You can actually see it in here also, but I done shook it, but you can see where it's watered down.
Okay.
If you see the separation there.
Yeah.
So the brake stores with this style here, brake clean from Menards, that's the cheapest place you're gonna get it at, and this is by far the best one. Yep. But then like I say on this here, just this chain, I'll go back through after I degreased it, I'll go back through and blow everything to make sure there's no little small medical particles broke off inside of there. If you look here in this, you can see all the metal particles inside of there.
So it was panel for gold.
Yep.
Yep. What metal? Steel.
Yep.
We panel for steel.
Yep. So everything been replaced. I'm actually about to press his hub out. I'll press the center hub out and re-put it into, because everything was good. I don't know if you remember on the one yesterday I showed you where the back teeth were bad. So his teeth were still good on it. So I'll press that up out of there. I just went ahead and replaced the clutches just because you see where it was indenting here. And just to avoid any problems with his clutches not hitting right, I just go ahead and replace them out.
Okay.
But outside of that, everything else is just pretty much smooth and go back together now at this point. That's about it.